tell me what we have.
So these are ideal balance, soft-baked naturals with chicken and carrots. They're little tiny bone-shaped. Bella, are you excited?
I was very interested.
Are you excited?
I was very interested already.
Well, that didn't open it up.
And they go everywhere. You want scissors?
I can do it. I can't do it. Stop it. Those aren't scissors.
Hmm?
These aren't scissors. I don't know what you want me to do with this.
Just cut the corner off, or like cut it, like, you know, like, not the corner, but like cut it. Yeah. Pup's jealous. Pup's like, what the fuck?
Alright, Bella, you ready? You ready? What do you think? Does that smell good? Does it smell good? Yeah? Okay. Sit. Careful. Is that tasty? There's a little tail wag action going on there. I think she is satisfied.
Satisfied customer? Definitely.
Okay, one more.
What's another one?
Lay. Careful.
So read me the ingredients.
Okay, so these have chicken, potatoes, peas, glycerin, carrots, chicken fat, cane molasses, pea starch, technical pork gelatin, chicken liver flavor, mixed tocopherols for freshness, and natural flavors.
What are they called again?
They are called Soft Baked Naturals by Ideal Balance.
Hills brand?
Hills, yeah.
Hills brand. Ideal
Manufactured for Hills Pet Nutrition.
Alright, let's get the second opinion in here.
Alright, Jasper, you ready to try it? Hop up here real quick. Hop up. Hop up here. Come here, up here and sit.
Jasper, come up. Hey, come up.
Just right.
Good boy.
There you go. Sit. Careful. Look at that drill action going. Watch out, Bella. You're gonna get slobbered on.
I think he likes it.
Can I get a paw? Oh, good boy. Careful. I think it's a winner all the way around.
Winner all the way around.